Okay, so far we have described the functionality of this My Calendar section. Now further we will move to transition coach. Now transition coach is basically assigned for a particular service. So what we will do, that you can see here, one coach is assigned to this particular uh, recruiter. You can, if you want to view the coach profile, then you can simply go to, basically this coach profile is being created from admin panel, and then once user purchase a service, he or she is being assigned to a particular coach. Now in this particular scenario, coach profile is the name of the coach who is being assigned to this user. Now suppose I have been assigned a coach and I want to ask few questions to him. Then I will simply click on ask question, and I can ask my question that how this service work and how we will move ahead. Now this is my question. I click on submit, and in the admin panel now you can see how this service work and how we will move ahead with the service. So this particular question is being asked to this coach. So once this coach will log in from his profile, he will see this question, and further he can answer to this question asked by this particular recruiter. So this was all about the the coach profile. Now moving further, we have this payment records. Now basically on the live website, because so far we haven't added any payments, and but in case user has made any payment on the website, then it will look like this. You can see that this particular payment was done on this date, and the payment was done for this particular service, and then amount paid for this status, and then further the action. Now basically this is just the simple listing of the payments done on the website for this particular service. Further we have reviews and ratings. So once a coach is assigned to a particular service, then user can further provide the reviews and rating for that particular coach. Okay, so now suppose this coach has purchased these services and he has already purchased the service. Now I am as I earlier described that since these all services are paid services, so in order to purchase these you have to make the live payment on the website. Now this is just a dummy record I have added just to demonstrate, so that you can get an idea how a paid service will look, and how user can view that. So further now I will move to the next section, which was an important section related to chat. Now suppose I have added one user. Like you can see in my network there is one user. This okay, let me check first my profile so that I can log in with other user and can show you that how this chat service will work. This is my profile. Now I will go to the other browser where I will log in with this my other account, so that I can chat with the user. I log in with Munish as a web expert India 1 2 3 4 5 6. I will demonstrate you how chat functionality will work on the website. Now suppose this is the user who has been added on the website. Now I will go wait, I think I'm logged in with a wrong user. Just wait a second. Chat functionality. Okay, so now I will log in with the friend of the other user who is logged in the other browser, so that we can see how this functionality will work. Okay, so now I am logged in with this user, and now suppose I want to chat with this user with whom I am a friend on the website. So I will go to my network. I can see this recruiter profile is my friend on the website. So this is the recruiter profile which I am talking about. Now suppose I want to initiate the chat. So I am a recruiter and I want to send message to this particular user. So I will click on this, and here I will click on this. No, okay, I will demonstrate it again. I will click on Munish, and here I will say, hi Munish, how are you? So basically I will go to other account, other profile. Now here you can see, this message is appearing. So I type, I am fine. So this is basically one browser, and now I will go to other browser, and you can see this message is appearing here. So this is how this comment chat, which is being implemented on the website, will work. Now there are two ways using which a user can chat. Sorry, this is the way user can chat with the other user on the website, and in case they want to send the messages, then I have already described the messages functionality and how it will work. So this was all about the this section, which is called as this my network, and through which you can chat with the user. It will show the list of the who is online, and then you can further chat with that user. Other There is one, this network, my network activity. Now this says that these are the activities which are performed by the friends of this particular user, and they will all appear in this my network activity section. So this was all about the this recruiter profile. Similarly, all the other profiles, like staff user, uh, coach user, candidate user, they all have their separate functionality, because most of the items are same, irrespective that a recruiter can further create a job. He can you know he can assign, he can create a job, he can buy purchase a service, and he can further create a staff member. So now I will close it out, and we will now move to the next section, which was related to the forum. So now we will move to the last section of our website, which was forum. Forum is a section from where admin can create, the forum admin can create a post like FAQ section, or any other post, and then further the other user on the website can view that post and can provide their comments. So to log in as an admin, I will click on this link in the footer section, forum, and here you can see it. So far I have created two forms, which are just dummy forums, and these are listed here. To log in as an admin, I will go to this section, and I will type the username, which is admin, password, uh, just wait a second, I think it was stored somewhere. Okay, so this is the password. Okay, so now you can see I am logged in as an admin. So to further review the admin panel, I will click on this administration control panel, and I will type the password again, click login, and it will redirect me to the forum admin panel. Now as described earlier and as written in the scope, since this forum is a third party tool, so we haven't modified it, since this service is provided as a third party tool. So but it contains all the information that we require to create a forum on the website, to create a post, to assign it to other posts, and further control the users on the website. However, we have merged the registered user on the website, so that the form users and website users will remain same. Now to create a new forum, I will simply click on manage forum, and further I will click, like suppose I type uh, student form, and I click create new forum. Okay, so it is asking me further options, that do you want it to be a parent form, or you want it to be a further child form. So I keep it as a parent form, and then it further asks me other options, which if you want, you can fill those, or you can just type the simple now that you can see this form is created, and if I want to set permissions for this form, I will go to set permission, and here it will ask me that for which user can access this particular form. So for that I will click on this find a member link, and here I will type the user for which I want to assign this form. Now suppose I want to assign this form to the user which is logged in from in the other browser, Quick Vision, like I say. I click on search, and here does user appear. I click on this select, and oops, I think we clicked on the wrong link. Just wait a second. Find a member. Here I clicked on Quick Vision. I click on search, and now this user. Now I click on select, and you can see this select option is appearing here. So I will click on this add permissions link, which means that now I can assign permissions to this particular user. So I will choose like it as full access and apply all permissions. So now this Quick Vision account user will have full permission to this particular forum. You can also provide the other option other permissions, like if I just want the user to view the forum and don't want to make any changes in that, then I can just provide him the read permission. Now further, now I will log in from the front end with this user, so that I can view that if these permissions are assigned to him for this particular forum. So I go to this, I type the username Quick Vision, and I type the password, which will be the same as my website password. I click on login, and you can see this forum is assigned to me. So these this will how this functionality will work, that from admin panel you will assign a forum to a particular user, and further once you have been assigned this to user, then those items will appear in the forum section. Now to view this forum, I will click on this forum, and you can see there is no topic. And in case now, since I have provided the full access to this particular user, then we can also create a new topic here. Like suppose I create subject student questions, and I hi, this is student forum with student related questions, and I click on submit. So you can see a new forum is created, and it will also be now in order to view it in the admin panel, I will click on this. Like you can see, now earlier we have only created the student forum, but now you can see it is also displaying that it has one post. Now this is the post which was created by the front end user, and it is now displaying in this section. So if I click edit, then you can view the forum. So now moving, so this is how the forum functionality will work, that admin can add the forum values, and further they will be assigned to a user, and those user can access the forum. So this was all about. However, if a user is not logged on into the website, like suppose I click on this logout, and now I am not logged in onto the website. So if I will simply click this forum section, then I can view all the now you can see, now since I am not logged in, and the forum which I created, it was just assigned to one user. So it means that it was not assigned to any other user, and it was also not public. So it is not appearing here. The student forum is not appearing here, whereas the other forum which were created as a public forum and were assigned to all the users, they are appearing here. So this was all about the forum section, and I think that is it regarding the demonstration of this website. We have demonstrated all the required information which user can which the user can work on this website, all the functionalities related to the different type of user login, different type of user logins like coach, recruiter, candidates, staff members. These type the different type of user who can work on the website. Further, there is one paid. There is option of purchasing services on the website using which user can purchase a service and can further, a coach will be assigned to him or her. Also, different type of user can communicate with each other using the messages form, or can take help from the comment chat as the chat as described in the other video as well. So that is it. In case, please go through all the videos which we will be sending you, and once you go through all the videos, please let us know the any question you have, and we will provide you the required help. That's it. Thank you.